This is the High Coast Hydratic Jacket. It's a light, waterproof, minimalistic shell jacket made for rainy days. It is made from recycled polyamide with a PFC-free impregnation. The jacket is constructed out of a 2.5-layer material with a ripstop outer fabric. On the inside of the outer fabric, we have the membrane called Hydratic. The half layer is a printed pattern on the inside of the jacket. This protects the jacket from wear while keeping the jacket lightweight. These layers create a system that keeps the moisture from your body away while protecting you from the wind and the rain of the outside. The jacket is perfect for everyday outdoor activities like taking your dog for a walk or bringing your kids to school. But it's also lightweight and packable, so it's an easy thing to bring with you all the time. The jacket has a lot of nice features, such as zippered hand pockets and ventilation on the sides. It comes with a nice adjustable hood with reflective details. It also comes with reflective details on the hands, so you can always be seen in the dark. My favorite thing about this jacket is that I can bring it with me wherever I go, so when the weather changes, I'm always ready. So if you want a lightweight packable jacket that enables you to spend more time outdoors, the High Coast Hydratic Jacket is for you.
My name's Tim Emmett. I'm a Mountain Hardwear athlete, and today I'm going to talk about the Exposure 2 Paclite Plus jacket. Paclite Plus is a 2.5-layer fabric. It's super lightweight, but it's durably waterproof. It's got tape seams, and it only weighs 257 grams, which is just over 9 ounces. This jacket is so lightweight that you can always have it in your pack. Gore-Tex Paclite Plus is a new fabric for Spring 20. Although it's a 2.5-layer, it feels more like a 3-layer, and it gives you next to skin comfort for a really lightweight jacket like this, which is sweet. This jacket has fully taped seams, so it's totally waterproof. The nylon ripstop fabric helps to prevent snagging and tearing and increases durability. It's got waterproof zippers on the front and the hand pockets and the chest pocket as well. So the jacket's got seam articulation here, so it's totally seamless underneath the armpit, which is good for all-day comfort, and you get less rubbing when you're wearing a pack. It's got a hook and loop closure on the cuff here, so you can get a really good seal and keep the rain out. The hood has got a single pull draw cord so that it stays secure and moves with your head even when it's wet. And there's a bill stiffener to keep the rain off your face. I really like this jacket because it's so lightweight and stretchy and packable that you never have an excuse not to have it with you. This is the Exposure 2 Paclite Plus jacket from Mountain Hardwear.
As kids, we would dream of this peninsula. Tucked away up in the corner of the country, our parents brought us out here every single summer. We never even bothered to check the weather.
It was always raining. And we loved it. And that's why this place keeps bringing us back. To leave the noise behind.
To leave distractions behind. To notice the small things in our wild places. To come together in a place that challenges us.
We're out here in one of the wettest corners on the planet. And even though it rains all day, we're totally dry. And we still don't mind the weather. Not even a little bit.
Simple and unpretentious, our men's Torrent Shell 3L jacket provides long-term comfort and protection in soaking storms and steady drizzles. We named it 3L for its 3-layer shell, which consists of a recycled nylon face fabric with a durable water-repellent finish, an engineered polyurethane membrane, and a Trico backer. Together, they ensure long-lasting waterproof durability and all-day comfort with waterproof, breathable H2No performance standard technology. The hood is two-way adjustable, has a laminated visor, and stows away with a simplified cord and hook design. The neck is lined with soft microfleece. Its snag-free center front zipper has both interior and exterior storm flaps to seal out rain. Hand warmer pockets and venting pit zips all have storm flaps and zippers treated with a durable, water-repellent finish. The left pocket doubles as a stuff sack. Self-fabric hook and loop cuff closures and a draw cord hem keep out rain. And the Torrent Shell 3L is Fair Trade certified sewn, which means the people who made it earned a premium for their labor. Built for one purpose, our men's Torrent Shell 3L jacket will keep you absolutely dry and comfortable in the wettest weather.
Have you felt it? The pressure. Suffocating. It builds and builds and builds. Pulsing, forcing us out. When we let go of that pressure, you can almost sense it. That one drop of water, breath of wind, becomes a force of nature.